Welcome to this beginner-friendly Expensify tutorial. Whether you're switching from the classic version or using Expensify for the first time, this guide will walk you through the entire process in a clear, simple way. Let's get started. To begin, if you were previously using the classic Expensify, you may already be logged into your workspace. The classic layout should look familiar, with the navigation panel on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll see all the tools you're used to, such as expenses, reports, settings, and more. Now, to move into the new Expensify interface, look at the bottom section of that left sidebar. Scroll all the way down until you see a button labeled Try New Expensify. This button is your entry point to the updated version. Go ahead and click it. As soon as you click the button, Expensify will automatically redirect you. A new tab will open in your browser, and within a moment, you'll see the new Expensify homepage. The design will look fresh, clean, and much more modern compared to the classic version. Once the new workspace loads, take a moment to explore the layout. You'll notice that everything is arranged to be more intuitive and easier to navigate. The updated interface is designed to reduce clutter, improve efficiency, and make everyday tasks simpler. Even though the design looks different, the core functions you rely on, such as tracking expenses, uploading receipts, and managing reports, are still available. They're just organized in a clearer and more streamlined way. To get familiar with the new system, start by clicking around the menu options. Look at how expenses are displayed, where reports are located, how receipts are imported, and what new tools might be available to you. Exploring on your own is one of the fastest ways to get comfortable, and the new design encourages this kind of hands-on learning. Another great tip is to test out a feature you may not have used before. The updated platform includes enhancements that can speed up your workflow, automate repetitive tasks, and improve your overall expense tracking process. Trying these tools out early will help you understand how they fit into your day-to-day use. Transitioning from classic Expensify to the new version only requires a few clicks, and once you're inside the new workspace, you'll quickly see how much smoother the experience is. The updated features are designed to make your workflow more organized and more efficient. That's it for this walkthrough. Hopefully this step-by-step guide helped make your move into the new Expensify easier and less overwhelming. If you have any questions or if there's anything you'd like explained in more detail, feel free to leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and helpful tech guides. Happy exploring!